How to ungroup layers in Alight Motion. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you ungroup layers in Alight Motion. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Alight Motion app on your device. After you open Alight Motion, from here tap on the project option at the bottom right. From your project section, open the project from where you want to ungroup layers. In my case, I have opened this random project. As you can see, here is the group named with group 1. Now from here, to ungroup the layer, you'll have to just tap and select that layer. After you tap and select, you'll have to tap on 3 dot at the top right corner. After you tap on that, choose for the option ungroup at the last one. After you tap on that, you can simply ungroup the layers on that group. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more Alight Motion or any apps tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.